this, back to this, and then this to this, back to this. And then the note that I made was, we talked about doing the underhand version of it, where you're going from underhand back to, into the 4 petals, back to the underhand cap. Let's start by just doing a couple of the underhand caps. We'll do 10 and 9 and 8 and 7 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to turn to the right, so even if you just start at the bottom here, let's just do 10 of the 4 petals in clockwise. So side, top, left, down, right, top, left, down, 3, up, left, down, 4, up, left, down, 5, and 6, and 7, up, left, down, 8, up, left, down, 9, up, left, down, and last one, and then come down to the bottom. So if we remember what we were doing last time, the transition point was either going from the top to the middle, or the middle to the top, or the middle to the bottom, or the bottom to the middle, depending on which way we're going. In this particular case, from the cap, we'll go from this middle petal here, from the actual anti-spin petal in the cap, as we turn to the right. So again, this is a good one to use your T stance where your left foot is forward, because we're going to just pivot to the V stance here to go into the 4 petal. From this position here, we'll come down and then around the flower. And then from this top position here, you'll turn left from the top and come to the middle back into your cap. So that's the technique we're going to work on first. Let's start by going from this cap, let's just do from the middle position here, holding this. And then 5, 6, 7, turn right and down, and then go around the flower. And then let's just come up to the top and hold it 5, 6, 7, turn left and go to the middle, and then go into the cap. And this is subtle, and I just want to make sure you're aware of it. You're not quite pumping forward fully. So remember, when you go from the top, let it peak. So there should almost be this sensation of waiting for the hand to peak at the top before you come down and pump it out forward and then down. Are we dealing with ceiling issues here? I would say as you're coming up, just remind yourself, even if you don't go to here, because that is, that extra inch, we all know an extra inch matters. Even if you only go to this far up, just remember still to pump it out. And I think what you did that last time was really helpful, where you bent the arm and then pumped it forward. I think that's a really helpful technique to get it. So from this front position, we'll go 5, 6, 7, turn right, go down, and then around the flower. Now go up to the top, and 5, 6, 7, turn left, go to the middle, and now go into the cap. So now this time, we'll do 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this next time when you come down from the center, turn right and go around the flower. And 5, and 6, and 7. And now this next time when you come up top, turn left, come to the middle, and into your cap. Let's do the flower. We'll do it, let's see, 3 times. So around the flower, that's 1 and 2. Now this third time, when you're up at the top, turn left, come to the center, and then come down. So you come to that front petal and then come down to the cap. From here to here and down. Let's do your left hand alone. So if your left hand is here, what's going to happen is, as the poi is coming across the bottom of the turn, you start moving your hand, and as you're moving your hand, you push it. So I'll do it side view so that you can see me. It's on my front plane now. As I start turning, I cross the hand to the other side of my body to get it in position for the cap. And that is also when I turn back into the T stance from the V. But it's as you're coming down. So it's one swift motion, right? If you're coming around, so now as I peak, I turn, and as I turn, I push. Not only do I push out to the side to get that pumping motion that we were talking about to get the petal to come out, I rotate my body, which means I'm pulling my left hip back a little bit, and I'm immediately going down because I'm going into the cap. Other than when I go up in the cap, the poi are always going clockwise around, right? So it's bump, 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 and cap. And then from the center point down, around, up, left, and down. And it's always that same circle, counterclockwise. So remember, as you're coming down from the top, to keep going down, to keep following that circle. You're up here, and 5, 6, 7, turn left, and then cap. Okay, and 5, 6, 7 from the center position, and come down and around in your flower. And then next time up the top, turn left, come to the center, into your cap. 1, and 2, and 3. Now as you come down, turn right, and we'll go around 2 times. And now on the third one, as you peak at the top, turn left and come back into the cap, and we'll go 1, and 2, and 3. And now as you come down on this fourth one, come around into the flower, and 2. And now when you get to the top, turn left again to the cap, and 1, and 2, and 3. Now turn to the right and come into the 4 petal, and 2. And now on this third one, as you come up to the top, turn left, back into the cap, and 2, and 3. And now on this fourth one, turn right, come down and around in the flower, and 2, and 3, and turn left and come into the cap, and 2, and 3. Now on this fourth one, turn right into the flower, bump, bump, and 2. And on this third one, come up to the top, turn left, come into the cap, and 2, and 3. Now on this fourth one, turn right, come down into the flower, and second time around. And now on this third time around, come up, turn left, and come into the cap. We are on this side, and same basic technique. From here, you're gonna go down, and then around, and then from here, you're gonna turn. Remember to turn your body to the right, and you're gonna push it out to come to that center position, and then back into your cap. And 3, and 2, and 1. Now on this fourth one, we're gonna turn left and come around in the flower, or pretend it worked. And 2 more, and 1 more. Now as you get to the top, turn right and come down. And 3, and 2, and 1. Now here we go. Turn left and come down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, and turn to the right, front, and cap. 3, and 2, and 1. Now turning left, come down and left, up and right, down and left, up and right, down, left, up. Now turn to the right into your cap, and 3, 2, 1. And now turn left into the flower, and 2 more, and 1 more. And now as you peak, turn to the right, back to the cap, and 3, and 2, and 1. And turn left into the flower, and 2 more, and 1 more. Now turn right and cap, 2, 3, 4, and now we're gonna turn left on this one, turn left and around, 2, and 3. As you peak, turning right to the cap, 2, 3, and now on this fourth one, turn left and come down and around. And the second time, and third one, turn right to the cap. Because what I want to try is just doing the swivel. I'll demonstrate it once. And since your weaker direction is when you turn to the right, and your stronger direction will be when you turn to the left, and you can't see me turning to the left, that's probably better. So it'll be something like this, where we turn, go around this way, cap, go around this way, cap, go around this way, and cap, go around this way. And if you look at my feet, what you'll notice is I'm stepping my foot back, right? So I was turning to the left, I stepped my left foot back to go to the left to come around in the flower, so when you're not facing me. And then I step my left foot forward as I'm turning to the right. So I'm basically keeping my weight on my right foot, and I'm just doing this. But there's multiple ways to rearrange the feet. What's important is that you're comfortable in the motion as you're turning one way to the other. So underhand, cap here, And then from your front position, turn right, go into your flower. And then from your top position, turn left, go back into your cap. So you're in your cap here, and now you're going to put your left foot back as you turn to the left and go into your preferred direction of flower, turning away from me. Right, so you're here, and still go down to the bottom, yes. And then when you get to the top, you're going to turn back to the right. Let's go back to the cap, we'll turn to the right again. So from the middle position, turn right into the clockwise flower, and then from the top position, we're going to turn left back into the cap, and then switch your feet. And then from the front position, turn left into the counterclockwise flower. And then from the top, turn right into the underhand cap, switch your feet again. And now turn right into the clockwise flower. And then from the top, turn left into the cap. And then from the center position, twisting your feet, turn left into the counterclockwise flower. And then from the top position, turn right into the cap. And then turn right into the clockwise flower. And then from the top, turn left into the cap, switch your feet. And then turn left into the counterclockwise flower, and then from the top position, turn right into the cap. Just different than what I was showing you. What I was having you do was transition on the anti-spin. What you did was you were here, and then you went all the way around. You missed the transition here, then you came to the bottom, and then you turned to the right on the in-spin. Nothing wrong with that. It's just a different place to transition. We're going like this to here. There's no reason you can't go like this to here. It's just coming from the bottom instead of the top, and you're just going in from the in-spin versus the anti-spin. It's a matter of where you're doing, like, you have to just do an extra reversal in there, right? If you think about the cap is reversal, 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 reversal. So by continuing it the way we were doing it, we were avoiding a reversal on the flower piece of it, but all you did was you added this cool reversal here. No shame in that game. That was great. You discovered another way to play with it. Woohoo!